Now that we have worked on Microsoft Word, let's look at the second element of the package, which is Microsoft Excel. It is used to make spreadsheets, and we can work on various options here, tables and charts again here. So now that you know about many things, about colors and everything, we open Microsoft Excel. You see there is a list of cells here. You see a whole array. It looks so different than Microsoft Word, but we also have tabs here. We have menu bar where we have home, page, insert, page layout, etc. I can select a single cell here, and I can drag my mouse up to whatever extent I want to. So each block you see here is a cell, okay? And we can write in that block, and whatever I write, it comes on the tab above. And if I make changes on the tab above, it makes changes in the cell also. And if I make changes in the cell, it makes changes on the tab above also. So for each cell, there is a dimension which is being told on the top. So for A, I see A1 and B, B2, B3, B4, so I can reach it to H, I, J, K. So these are the dimensions for each of my cells, which particular cell I am at. So this is first row, so B1. So that was second row, third row, I'm so sorry, C1. And I'm going to give the names to my table for the columns. So serial number, name, section, subject, and let's see, marks. And the last one, I can also drag from left or right or from center. So I can drag my dimensions and I can increase the size. If I select it from the center, my whole column gets selected. And I can drag it on the right, I can drag it on the left. But you see, the left side, complete left side of the numbers where you see 1, 2, 3, 4, that is fixed. So if I drag it on the left side, the columns which are on the left of that particular column which I am moving towards left, they become smaller. So the best dimensions to increase are towards the right instead of left. Now, I can choose dimensions for my table. I can choose the borders if I want a thick border, or I want complete all borders for each of my cell. So my complete table has borders for every cell. I can wrap text means I can combine two tables together. Now let's see how exactly I can change the orientations for my text. I can simply choose all the columns here, and I can keep them in the center, or the text in my cells can in the center or in the middle or in the left side or wherever. So I can simply drag and increase the size of my row, and I can choose how exactly my columns would look like, the text in the columns. So I can increase it, I can increase the height of the row, I can decrease the height of the row. I can make my text bold, change the font. I've done that before in the Word, so you know what we are doing now. So let's see another column here, which is marks calculator. Now automatically it is going to take the dimensions wherever we have decided for every column. See, the size and font comes automatically. I just need to make it bold for every column here. Now this Excel workbook, I can save it as, again, Excel has an extension of XLS. So 1998 to 2003 had the extension of XLS, and beyond that we had an extension of XLSX. I can save it on the desktop and save. Thank you.